Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about this, these, that, and those. So let's start with these and these. So these ones are uh, Este, Esta, Estos, Estas. Este and Esta are singular. So the this and Estos, estas are plural, these. We use this and these when the object is close to us. We can actually grab it with our hands. Um, if the object is far, we're going to use that and those, which is like when you start pointing at it. So let's have a look at examples. Um, este sombrero, this hat. Esta guitarra. This guitar. Ah, esta guitarra. We use an A here because guitarra is feminine. La guitarra. So that's why we say esta guitarra. Este sombrero. Sombrero is masculine. That's why we say este sombrero. Good. Now let's do the plurals. These. These hats. Estos sombreros, masculine plural. And now estas guitarras, which is feminine and plural. Estas guitarras. That's it. That's how we use this and these. Yeah. One big question I hear a lot is what is the difference between esto and este? So the answer is esto is used when you don't know the gender of the object. So it's like it's an undefined object. You don't know the gender. It means this. Yeah, it means this. But if you don't know what it is, you use esto. That's why the question, what is this, is ¿qué es esto? It's because you don't know what that is. What is this? Yeah. Esto es una puerta. Yeah. This is a door. So, esto is for undefined objects. You don't know what they are. Also, you use esto for situations or things that happen in life. For example, when you say, I don't like this, or this is bad, in general, like a situation. So I don't like this would be no me gusta esto. It could be an attitude or a situation or anything that you're referring like as something that happened. Um, that's pretty much the difference between esto and este. And when you know the thing, you can use este. So let's say we go to a bakery and I want bread, right? So el pan is the bread. It's it's actually masculine, pan. So I'm gonna say I want this bread. Yo quiero este pan. I want this bread. Yeah. Um, if I want to carry on saying I want this and this and this or and this one and this one and this one, I can, if I know they are all breads, I can say yo quiero este y este y este y este because I know they're all breads. If at the bakery I'm buying things that I don't know, maybe like weird items, I'm gonna use esto because I don't know the gender of those. So I'm gonna say yo quiero esto y esto y esto y esto. Yeah. So this is the difference. If I say esto. I don't know what that is. If I say este, I know what I'm talking about. I know the noun and I know its gender. Good. So for that and those, let's have a look. For that and those, we have here the same pretty much, but without the T. So you have you have ese, you have esa, esos, and esas. As you can see, is very close to the ones before, but without the T. Uh, Remember, ese, esa, esos, esas. Yeah. If you go back, it's este, esa, esta, estos, estas. Yeah. You see the difference? These ones have the T. These ones don't have the T. Also here for esto. So that those is without the T. So let's practice the that and those. Ese sombrero, that hat. Yeah, it's masculine and singular. Esa guitarra, that guitar. Yeah. Esos sombreros, those hats. And esas guitarras, those guitars. You're pointing at those objects. You cannot reach them with your hand. Same here. Eso, yeah, is that, yeah. In an undefined uh, approach, you don't know what the object is. If you want to say, what is that? And you don't know the gender of the object because you don't know the object, you're going to say, ¿Qué es eso? Eso es una puerta. That is a door. And you're pointing at it, right? You cannot reach it with your hand. Um, Also, eso for the undefined object, when you have an undefined object, eso you can also use it for situations, attitudes, like let's say, I don't like that. No me gusta eso. Like I don't like that, like like the situation or the attitude or that thing that happened. Yeah. So eso is used in this way too. And that will be it. So that's the difference between these, and that, those. Um, let's have a look how to practice this. So to practice this, you're gonna first of all study your Quizlet flashcards for 30 minutes, 20, 40 minutes. Do your notes and writing if writing helps you learn. And then you're gonna use them in a real life situation. Go to a bakery. It's called Panaderia Bakery. And just talk to the person behind the counter. Um, like, say, I want that bread and that cake and this cookie and this baguette and whatever else you want to buy. Um, if the object is far, use that. Eso, esa, ¿ya? O esos, esas. ¿Ya? If it's far away and you're pointing at it. If it's very close to you and you kind of you feel that you can grab it, you're gonna use esto, yeah, este, esta, estos, estas. Yeah, that's it. So I could do yo quiero este pan. I want this bread. Y esa galleta. Galleta is cookie, and that cookie. Yeah, that's that's it. So I hope you have fun with this exercise at the bakery. And see you in the next lesson. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.